Good morning, evening, good night, whenever you're watching. I'm doing the prop shaft today, and the weather's not very nice. Look how wet it is out there. So I'm lying on a mucky floor. Lovely. Joys of not having a big garage. Never mind. Right, let's get on with it. Right, jack it up first, get the wheels off the ground so that I can rotate the prop shaft to undo the bolts, so the wheels are free. Whack the axle stand under. It's not very nice in here. Just look at it, I can't lie on that much. Oh, yeah, that'll do. And if you can see that, there's the mounting in the middle over there. That's the exhaust. Got the fuel tank this side, exhaust that side, so yeah. Oh, we'll try from the driver's side. I think we've got a bit more on that side. So let's go and have a look. Right, finally got it off. It's taken me about an hour to undo that bolt. I have no idea why. It was extra tight for some reason. Never mind, we've prevailed in the end. We have to use the hot spanner trick, which is heat it up a little bit first. One. There's that one. Right. These should be able to be undone by hand. Well, not. The case might be. Who's that? Oh, there. These aren't light items. They're heavy. There we go. That's that one. Right. Oh, look at the water come out then. I don't know if you've seen that. Right. Let's move you over there a minute. Out the way. Drop that over there. Slide it off like so. Right. Let's go do a bearing. Right. Here's our prop, and as you can see, can you hear that? That's what's happened. The you can see the grease around there. Basically, what's happened is the water has got forced into there, and it's pushed all the grease out the back. But the new one I've got, which is here, comes with a shield, so as to whether that's going to work, I don't know, but we'll give it a go. Right. Let's tap that off somehow. Let's get a hammer. Oh, I'll have to borrow this one because I seem to have lost the other one. Yes. Tap it off with this toffee hammer here. Hey. Right, that's that one. You can see we've got a ridge there. So we've got that one, which goes on there. becoming a pain. Right, I'm going to put this on, come back to you in a minute. Right, fitting is reverse of removal. Easier said than done. Right, put that one in there. So that one. Oh, whatever. So, it's got to go like that. It's got to be uniform all the way through with the UJs facing in the right direction. Put your grease, wrap it up in there. Don't be shy with grease. This is a constantly moving part, so you get plenty on there. Right. No, a bit smelly, never mind. It's getting rusty. Yeah, okay. Hurrah, that's that one in. Right, now lift it all back up in position. That's that one, right. Where's the screws for that? Oh, always remember to put the screws in a handy place. Very hard, you can't see. The bloody thing is really dark. Right. I think that's it. Hey. That's it. Now we've got to tighten the bolts back up. Just give them a little tap with this spanner each time. There. Right, now I've got to tighten these up. Do we do? Oh, we've nearly done it. You can see that there. We've got the disc on this one. So, hopefully what will happen is the rain will hit that and then spin off. As to whether it works, it should do, but time will tell. So that's the prop, and that's me. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope that was useful for somebody.